like to ask me what is hospitality for me, I would say it's a pure fairy tale. To have a good fairy tale, we should have at least three main elements, right? First one is when the outcome of fairy tale is much more interesting than the expectations. So at the beginning of the story, you have some expectations, but your client should be surprised in the end. Second element, charming characters. So people who work in hospitality, they have to be charming. Charm could be in a smile, charm could be in outfit, in your behavior, in your straight back, in your bright face. So you have to define what is your charming element and why you are so unique. And the third element of good fairy tale is meaning. Fairy tales are interesting because of meaning, because you have to digest after. When you consume service in hospitality, you should have information to digest after consumption, okay? So in the end, what I would like to highlight for future hospitality professionals, I would say analytical skills. Let's talk about Cinderella. Cinderella, when she was going to a ball, she changed her outfit, right? She changed her type of transportation, she prepared to dance, because she was good in analytical skills. She was able to analyze what is needed for a client, right? So if you would ask me once again, what is hospitality? It's a pure fairy tale, and you create a fairy tale here.